Oh, no soul so I'm out here again in the kitchen, killing it, you know what I'm saying? Doing what I do. And I'm about to share that special recipe that I'm always talking about. The Mexican casserole. It's going to taste very fantastic. So stay tuned. Stay tuned. Oh, stay tuned. Oh, I got water on my phone. Oh, shit. Back by popular demand. Let me get your opinion on this. So, is my food good? Huh? Tell the fans. My food good? Yeah, tell the ground. But stinks. God. Oh! Whoa! Whoa! It's not about them titties, you know what I'm saying? It's about the chicken titties, you know what I'm saying? But today, instead of chicken titties, I'm gonna make some shredded cow, you know what I'm saying? Throw that in there. Lean, of course, you know what I'm saying? If you want to, you know what I'm saying? Stay legit, you know what I'm saying? Minus the hair, of course. But, you know what I'm saying? Ingredients. Shredded cow. Baked beans. Chicken throw up. Cream of chicken. Minus the celery, of course. Never have it with the celery because that's awful. And then tomato soup. All off brand, of course, you know what I'm saying? Because I ain't rich, you know what I'm saying? I ain't got money all like that, you know what I'm saying? And, let's see here. Then you got the, tortillas, non-cooked white corn tortillas. Or you can get, you know, the regular if you don't want the, I don't know, dyed flour or whatever you call it. I don't know. Anyways, those are the main ingredients. Oh, yeah. Almost forgot. And cream cheese. That's all gonna go in there too. I don't think I forgot. Oh yeah, I did forget something. Of course, you can't forget these purple Doritos. Those are gonna go in there too. And you can't forget this either. Gotta have the Velveeta, because Velveeta's awesome. So yeah, those are the ingredients. I might have missed one. If I did, I'll include that while I'm making it. So yeah, this is a special, you know, Mexican casserole that I make. Everybody always wants the ingredients for it, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm about to throw it down, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, NoSoul XO, you know what I'm saying? I'm out here, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, I'm out here. So as far as the seasonings go for the beef, we're gonna use a little bit of this, sweet and smoky, a little bit of onion powder. I'm trying to get it in focus here. Alright, garlic powder, you know what I'm saying? And you can always finesse this as much as you want, you know, to each his own. I don't really get into all the details as far as like, oh, like put a pinch of this and like put like a teaspoon of that. Nah, like do it yourself, you know what I'm saying? Do what you want. Everybody's taste buds is a little bit different, you know what I'm saying? And, you know, of course, throw a little bit of brown sugar in there as well. And yeah, about to get this show on the road. Drop these little hefty baked beans in here, you know what I'm saying? The more you eat, the more you fart, the better you feel. So, you know what I'm saying? You always want to eat the beans with every meal, you know what I'm saying? Break it down to elementary. They was teaching us early, you know what I'm saying? Principles of life. So, you know what I'm saying? You want to drop that in there. So, you know what I'm saying? You want to get yourself, you know what I'm saying? Open these cans. Then get this can open and freaking work. Open the tomato soup. God fucking damn it! Want to do that. That's how you cut yourself. But you know what I'm saying? You want to open this tomato soup here. You know what? Get yourself a good can opener. You know what I'm saying? These little can openers, they suck. They suck, they suck, they suck, they suck. So right now, you know what I'm saying, I'm just shaking the meat, you know what I'm saying, I'm jiggling the meat, you know what I'm saying, getting all that excess, you know what I'm saying, grease up out there. Don't be like me doing this in the sink, though, clogging up the sink. But, you know what I'm saying, you always want to get that excess, you know what I'm saying, you want to remove that excess grease. Nobody likes greasy food, you know what I'm saying, and that's facts. 100, 100. LOL, LOL. JK, JK. People hate when I do that. But you know what I'm saying, then what you're gonna do is you're gonna come right back over here and you're just gonna, you know, toss this up in here. And you're just gonna let all this simmer together. Stir it, you know what I'm saying? And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna repeat. You're gonna add all the same seasonings that you did, a little bit of salt, you know what I'm saying, to your preference, you know what I mean. And yeah, this is the basis of the sauce that's gonna go within the, you know what I'm saying, stuff. Seeing some burbles and some steam going on, you know what I'm saying. So I'm about to throw in this brick right here, you know what I'm saying, of cream cheese. Yes, I said a whole brick of cream cheese. So if you have problems taking a poop, you know what I'm saying, you're definitely gonna have problems taking a poop after this one, because there's gonna be lots and lots of stuff that's gonna stop you up, you know what I'm saying, or make you go to the bathroom, you know what I'm saying. Who knows, whatever your bowels do these days, you know what I'm saying. This you know, you're gonna drop this sexy piece of Velveeta, you know, half a brick, you know what I'm saying. Drop that in there. You should probably cut it into little pieces, but due to the time frame that I have right now, because people have to work, you know what I'm saying, I gotta get this done, so I'm just gonna drop the whole brick in there. But don't be like me, you know what I'm saying, and you're gonna stir this up until it all melts down, so keep on stirring. Alright, so this is what the end result is gonna look like. Pulled it off the burner. You don't want to overcook it, and you definitely don't want the bottom to stick, because that's awful, because then it just burns, and then it just really tastes like burnt booty, you know what I'm saying. And booty, we're not even jamming out over here, you know what I'm saying. But then you're gonna take these tortillas, you know what I'm saying, and why does tortillas always smell like feet, you know what I'm saying? I've always wondered that. Here's what you want to do. I'm gonna try to do this with one hand, but you're gonna take these tortillas. You don't want to do it with the whole stack. Take just a few of them at the time, and you can cut these any way you want. Sometimes, like, I'll cut them in like strips, you know what I'm saying, do a little strip thing, whatever. You go follow the little lines already on there. You can do whatever you want, or you do the little, sometimes do the crisscross, you know, whatever's easier to lay it out in here. All right, so as you see, you know what I mean, I cut these into these you know, little tiny triangles. You know what I mean? Make it more pliable, make it work, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, you come over here to this pan, and what you want to do is you're going to want to, you know, grab some of this, a little spoonful, spread it on the bottom, kind of create like a little layer so that everything doesn't stick, even though it's a non-stick pan. But as you can tell, people don't know how to wash dishes, and so it's all scratched and stuff. But it's okay. There's always time to buy some new stuff once we get the house and everything else, you know, and come up even more in the world. Endless come up. We're constantly evolving. For instance, this meal right here is like 3 different things that I learned from 3 different meals, and I put it all together into one meal, and kind of, you know, it's kind of what I do. It's kind of a science experiment every time I step in the kitchen, but every time I make something, especially if I make something out of nothing, it's always good. Not trying to brag, just saying. But yeah, you're gonna create a layer, and then basically what you're gonna do is you're just gonna piece it together like a puzzle, and you're gonna layer it like so, and you're just gonna do that all the way around, and just keep doing that. And I'll show you the next one. So after you get this, you know what I'm saying, get that layer covered, you're gonna get that bag of Doritos, you know what I'm saying, purple kind. The best kind. Shout out to the Doritos for making this spicy sweet chili. Like, I don't know what my life would be without it. Like, for real. Like, these are just like the best Doritos like ever. True story. Facts 100. JK. LOL. But yeah. So yeah, you just want to add a layer of Doritos just like this. Normally, like I said, if you had some shredded cheddar cheese, you would add that on the top layer right here. You know what I'm saying? And then you would add another layer of the tortillas, and then add another layer of this, and basically you're just going to keep repeating that so you get to the top. Alright, so you see it, we got the last layer on the top right now, and so basically what you do is, you know, crush your Doritos down, you know what I'm saying, kind of create like a top crust with the purple Doritos, you know what I'm saying. So yeah, that's basically it. And you want to like preheat the oven, you know what I'm saying, have that booming on 400. You're going to pop that in there, and you keep that in there for about 25-30 minutes, you know what I'm saying, give or take, sometimes less. It just depends on what kind of oven you got. I don't want to give you the wrong info, burn your stuff up, or, you know, whatever, but it's all good either way. And yeah, this is my sexy Mexican casserole, you know what I'm saying.